Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you a beginner workout routine to build your chest. There's no equipment needed for this workout. All you need is just a flat surface and an elevated place to do incline push-ups and decline push-ups. And of course this is a follow along video, so if you want to do it together, pause the video now and resume it later once you find a suitable place to do it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you really do, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more videos. And to address something, a lot of people have been asking me when is the 1 leg 1 pull-up challenge video coming out. I can assure you that will be the next video coming out on this channel. So stay tuned for more.